How to fix Waze no GPS showing approximate location error. So if you want to fix Waze no GPS showing approximate location error, then what you need to do is first you need to simply turn on your location. So make sure that you've turned on your location. Once you turn it on, now you just need to simply search for the Waze app. Once you search for it or once you find it, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to that application. Go with the app info option. Once you're under the app info, now go with the permissions, and under permissions you need to go with the location option and make sure that you've turned on the location for the Waze app. So tap on allow all the time, and once you turn on the location, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then you just need to simply go back and again go back, go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix Waze no GPS showing approximate location error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.